We are all familiar with the calm before the storm. However, it's better not to waste time lolling at the peace when you can prepare yourself for the disaster to come. Here are 6 steps to ensure you're ready for it. Before the earthquake. First, check for hazards in the home, anything loose. Second, identify safe places indoors and outdoors. Third, educate yourself and family members. Fourth, have disaster supplies on hand such as first aid kits. Fifth, develop an emergency communication plan. Sixth, help your community get ready. And here are the don'ts in earthquakes.
Hi, I am from D.E.A.T.H and I am here to inform you about how to prepare and survive an earthquake.
I don't care. Who needs this anyways if an earthquake's gonna happen? Ha 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 ha!
Suit yourself.
So many dumb ways to die.
You suddenly feel the ground beneath you shaking. You hear people screaming and the furniture creaking. What should you do? If you're indoors, first, don't panic. Second, find sturdy furniture to go under and make sure you are far away from any glass, like windows. Third, if there is no furniture available, get down next to an interior wall. Fourth, once you have found a place, drop down on your hands and knees and cover your head and neck. And here are the don'ts in earthquakes.
So many dumb ways to die.
Now, if you're outdoors, stay calm. Go to an open area nearby. Third, stay away from power lines, buildings, and anything else that could fall on you. And here are the don'ts in earthquakes.
So many dumb ways to die.
The tremors finally stopped. Now, what should you do? First, check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid for anyone who needs it. Second, check water, gas, and electric lines for damage. Third, if you're at school or work, follow the emergency plan or the instructions of the person in charge. And here are the don'ts in earthquakes.
Somebody help me! A rock fell on my leg.
Help you?
Help me! I'll help you. I'll help you. What are you doing?
I'm helping you.
Wait, where are you going? Aren't you supposed to go to the field?
I'm going to Macdo. Why would I go to the field?
That's what they told us to do. It's an earthquake.
After an earthquake, I'm going to Macdo.
So many dumb ways to die.
That is all. Thank you for listening to us. This is D.E.A.T.H, the Disaster Emergency Action Team of Heroes.